Did you know that over 50% of the global population relies heavily on rice? Rapid population growth and rising demand for rice have led to extensive commercial rice farming, covering more than 165 million hectares of land, and rice packaging waste has significantly contributed to global plastic waste. Despite the clear evidential abundance of global food supplies, disparities in food distribution persist due to systemic food insecurity and socio-economic inequalities. Low-income families often struggle to afford anything beyond basic carbohydrate staples, leading to malnutrition and, in some cases, death. To address these challenges, we developed a groundbreaking concept that combines advanced technology, rigorous research, and an efficient method of rice cultivation. We present Jansen, an innovative commercial rice production system. Jansen reduces the need for vast agricultural rice fields by using innovative hydroponic technology, reducing land use and increasing yield percentage. Many rice packaging uses woven polypropylene (WPP), which is durable and long-lasting, but it is often disposed of as litter. We planned to partner with local recycling industry to source recycled WPP, reducing production costs and promoting sustainability. Jansen incorporates next-gen GM super rice engineered to combat malnutrition by boosting the nutritional content and adding new essential vitamins whilst being resilient to pests and requiring less water usage. All these factors set us apart in a $300 billion rice industry as we focus on the overlooked areas, reshaping the industry into a sustainable and more efficient way of rice cultivation. We plan to acquire low-cost and unused industrial warehouses on the outskirts of the city and then renew them into fully operating hydroponic rice farms. The average output of a typical rice farm is 5 tons of rice per hectare, generating around $18,750 in revenue per cycle. In contrast, hydroponics are capable of producing over 14 tons per hectare, earning around $52,500 in revenue due to higher efficiency. With minimal pest interference and a controlled environment, our method ensures optimal conditions for rice cultivation, maximizing both yield and profitability. The packaging mainly used to store large quantities of rice is made of woven polypropylene. It is a type of plastic that is strong, lightweight, and long-lasting. However, a significant amount of this packaging is discarded, with estimates suggesting that only around 1% is currently recycled. Recycled WPP is made from post-consumer or post-industrial products that have been collected, sorted, cleaned, petalized, and reprocessed into new material. Interestingly, recycled WPP is more cost-effective than virgin polypropylene (VPP), with prices for 50 kilograms ranging from $25 to $75 compared to $40 to $100 for VPP. The lower cost is due to the reduced expense of raw materials and less energy required to produce it. That is why we plan on partnering up with local recycling industries. Overall, recycled packaging provides significant savings, reduces plastic waste, and promotes our reputation for sustainability. Next-gen super rice is developed by integrated genetic traits from golden rice, high iron and zinc rice (HIZR), berry rice, BT rice, and IR64 rice. The development of GM super rice involves a regulated and systematic process of genetic engineering and agronomic validation. It begins with the isolation of targeted genes, which are identified, optimized, and inserted using CRISPR-Cas9 and 12. Transformed cells undergo tissue culture, molecular screening, and greenhouse trials, followed by multi-location testing for yield, nutrition, and stress tolerance. Regulatory safety assessments ensure allergenicity and reduce ecological footprint compliance, as well as compliance with FDA, CFDA, FAO, and many national biosafety organizations. Upon approval, we intend to heavily commercialize large-scale hydroponic cultivation through seed distribution programs, farmer training, and global partnerships, enhancing the food security of many nations and nutritional quality worldwide. We analyzed the rice industry and surveyed customers to identify key pain points. In Southeast Asia, discarded woven polypropylene bags contribute to significant waste. Additionally, rice-dependent dieters struggle with fasting due to inadequate nutritional content, and brand differentiation remains weak, as brand royalty is minimal within the rice market, and making choices are largely quality and price-driven. We compared Jansen to 2 prominent red ocean competitors. Ours creates an entirely new market for rice consumers. By integrating our 3 key factors, we eliminate pesticide use and reliance on the rainy season, eliminating the risk of drought-related crop failure, reduction of land use, environmental footprints, and water consumption, increased yield percentages, and improved nutritional values, engineering new nutritional values, and the introduction of recycling. Overall, our industry have higher output level, enhanced customer satisfaction, and supports a more sustainable future. In our current market, we look at athletes, rice enthusiasts, dieters, pastors, health-conscious individuals, and low-income families. In Tier 1, we seek for customers in rice-dependent regions such as Southeast and Central Asia, and eco-conscious consumers. In Tier 2, we will try to persuade and inform GMO skeptics, traditionalists, and misinformed consumers. In Tier 3, we intend to expand forward to non-rice carb eaters and untapped global markets, especially the West. Jansen is more than just a rice production system. It is a revolution in sustainable agriculture, nutrition, and environmental responsibility. Together, we are cultivating change through innovative rice.